drag is really gonna move tonight. Oh, well, I guess any guy who likes to brag, that's why I challenge him to a railroad drag. Hey, hey. Alright. Well, the railroad drag is really gonna move tonight. Well, we pull across the tracks, nose to nose, looking at each other, thinking anything goes. Hey. Coming down the track, and body your chicken if you pull it on back. Yeah. Alright. Well, the railroad drag is really gonna move tonight. Oh, well, at 80 miles an hour, I hear the diesel roar. I grab it in the bush and lay it to the floor. Hey. Alright. Well, the railroad drag is really gonna move. I remember everything and that horrible day. I have a whole lot of time, but it's there too late. Hey, hey. Alright. Well, the railroad drag is really gonna move tonight. Well,